Morning, 4:38 a.m. Let's go. 4:41 a.m. 4:48 a.m. 1K. Morning.
Good morning.
4:54 a.m. 2K. Let's go. 15 minutes, 2.35K. October 30, 4:59 a.m. This is day 10 of running every day. Let's go. 5:01. Time to cook. That's me. 5:30, done cooking.